So I'm gonna put my palette in this. Okay, so essentially what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to cut a portion of this that's about the same height as this. So I'm going to use this as a guide. I've cleaned everything with an alcohol wipe. So that gives me one side. I'll cut the other one. Then I'm just gonna do marks. So that's my first color. Now I need to get it out of here. This is very soft. So I'm gonna use a palette knife. So with the palette knife, I'm gonna try to remove it like a pizza slice. Not all of it came out, so I'm gonna work on these small pieces. But the idea is to place this in the spot where I need it, depending on the colors. Like so, and then put the other ones next to it. Okay, so this is gonna go at the very end, and I cut it too short, so I have a small gap in there. So I'm going to try to squeeze this wedge in there. Just like so. And now I'm gonna cut the other colors and place them in here. The pearl tags are really creamy. So all the colors that I'm using are tag, except for the very last one, which is the purple. I'm using global, and the reason for that is because tag in the purple version stains the skin and global doesn't. There will be a difference because this one is hotter and these ones are softer. However, because it's at the very edge, the cake still works. Okay, I just made a mark because it's really hard to cut. It must have more wax or solid on it. Okay, so there we go. That's the new split cake.